तो चले थे दोस्त बनके, जाने कहाँ दिल मिल गई।
Back in the day, Dil Mil Gaye wasn't just a TV show. It was a whole vibe. A medical drama where the surgeries were mostly done on broken hearts. From Arman and Ridhima's legendary romance to Atul's innocent crush and Muskan's crazy drama, this show gave us everything: love, friendship, heartbreak, and iconic dialogues. It's been more than 15 years since the show first aired, but the characters still live rent free in our hearts. Today, let's rewind the clock and check in with the Sanjeevani gang. Where are the stars of Dil Mil Gaye now? Let's go! Let's start with the heartthrob himself, Dr. Arman Malik. Karan Singh Grover played the role from 2007 to 2010, and honestly, no one did it better. His iconic basketball scenes, bad boy charm, and that smirk? Unforgettable. After DNG, Karan became one of Indian TV's biggest names. He starred in Kabool Hai, did a Bollywood film with Bipasha Basu called Alone, and later married her in 2016. They welcomed their baby girl Devi in 2022. In 2024, he made a big screen comeback in the action film Fighter alongside Hrithik Roshan and Deepika Padukone. And now, in 2025, he's all set to return to TV after 5 years with a Zee TV show called Tumse Tum Tak, reportedly opposite Heli Shah. Ridhima, the lead female doctor and Arman's eternal love. But did you know 3 different actresses played this role? Back in 2007, Shilpa Anand entered our screens as Dr. Ridhima Gupta, calm, soft-spoken, and adorably confused in love. Her chemistry with Karan Singh Grover's Arman was instant and electric. Fans loved the Shilpa Karan pairing so much, they were devastated when she suddenly left the show in mid 2008. Officially, it was due to creative differences and disagreements with the production team. After DMG, Shilpa appeared in a few regional films and TV shows, but over the years, she slowly faded from the limelight. When Shilpa left, Sukirti stepped in. And let's be honest, she had huge shoes to fill. Sukirti's version of Riddhima was bubblier, more expressive, and had a lighter energy. While some fans took time to adjust, many appreciated her fresh take on the character. But just when people started warming up to her, she too exited the show after less than a year. The reasons weren't entirely clear, but it was believed to be a creative decision by the makers. Post-DMG, Sukirti's career took off in other directions. She became a household name with shows like Pyar Ki Ye Kahani and Dilli Wali Thakur Girls, and even participated in Bigg Boss Season 8. More recently, she's been seen in web series like Story 9 Months Ki, proving her versatility across genres and platforms. She's also very active on Instagram and continues to engage with her loyal fan base. Jennifer took over the role in 2009 and completely redefined it. Her version was intense, emotional, and mature. And of course, her real-life marriage to Karan Singh Grover added a layer of buzz that audiences couldn't ignore. Their chemistry in the later stages of TMG was explosive, equal parts romantic and heartbreaking. Jennifer played Ridhima until the show's final episode in 2010. And post-TMG, her career absolutely skyrocketed. From Saraswati Chandra to Behad, Bepanna and Kodem, Jennifer became a dominant force in Indian television and OTT. In 2025, she continues to thrive. She just wrapped a Netflix thriller with Parineeti Chopra and stars in Rezinghani vs. Rezinghani on Sony Live. Her fan base is massive. and her acting skills only get sharper with every role. While her marriage to Karan ended in 2014, both have remained professional. And now, there are even rumors of them reuniting for an upcoming web show. If that happens, fans are in for a nostalgic roller coaster. Next up, our loud, bubbly Punjabi doctor, Dr. Muskan, played by Drashti Dhami. After DMG, Drashti went on to do some massive shows like Geet and Madhubala, and even one Jhalak Dikhla Ja. In 2023, she starred in the psychological thriller Duranga on ZEE5. And in October 2024, she became a mother to a baby girl named Leela. Drashti is currently on a break, enjoying motherhood and sharing sweet little moments on Instagram. Mayank Anand played Arman's best friend and Muskan's love interest, Dr. Rahul. After exiting the show, he actually left acting altogether and transitioned into fashion designing. He married co-star Shraddha Nigam, and together they launched a fashion label that regularly features in Lakme Fashion Week. Pretty cool glow up, right? When Arman left the show, in came Dr. Siddhant Modi, played by Karan Vahi. Arrogant, charming, and later surprisingly sensitive, he gave Ridhima's love story a twist fans didn't expect. Today, Karan Vahi is a total all-rounder. He hosts reality shows like Indian Idol and Dance India Dance. He's acted in the web series Never Kiss Your Best Friend, and he's also building a brand around fitness and wellness. Basically, he's killing it. Amit Tandon brought intensity to the show as the strict but soft-hearted senior doctor. After DMG, Amit returned to his first love, music. He's released several singles and performs live regularly. He's also been in the news for a tough divorce, but he's now co-parenting his daughter and focusing on his music career. You'll still see him pop up in occasional TV shows and award functions. Dr. Atul was the emotional heart of Sanjeevani. Goofy, kind, and always in love with Anjali. Pankit Thakkar played the role with such innocence, it's hard to forget. After DMG, Pankit continued working in Indian television with roles in Bahu Hamari Rajnikant, Aapki Nazron Ne Samjha, and many more. He's still going strong and often posts BTS moments and fan interactions on his social media. Ridhima's elder sister Dr. Anjali was sharp, stylish, and a little cold. Sunaina Gulia played her with total grace. After quitting DMG midway, Sunaina slowly moved away from the entertainment world. She's mostly off social media, keeps a low profile, and is living life away from the spotlight. And finally, Dr. Shashank, the dignified head of Sanjeevani and father to Ridhima and Anjali. Played by veteran actor Monish Behel, he brought a lot of stability and gravitas to the show. Post-DMG, Monish continued acting in films like Panipat and shows like Sanjeevani 2 and mythological dramas. A true Bollywood and TV legend, still going strong. From screen icons to business owners, from parenting to pop stardom, this cast has truly evolved. And now, it's your turn. Who was your favorite doctor from Sanjeevani? Team Arman or Team Sid? And which Ridhima ruled your heart? Shilpa, Sukirti, or Jennifer? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this nostalgic ride, don't forget to like this video, share it with your DMG gang, and of course, subscribe for more throwback content. Until next time, this is the Gossip Gully signing off.